How to find saved favorited videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. So now once inside the TikTok app, let's try saving any video you prefer. Scroll down or simply tap on the bookmark icon available there. And once done so, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Once inside the profile, you will see the same bookmark icon available there. That is your favorites. Simply tap on it. Inside favorites, you will see videos, sounds, effects, hashtags, collection if you have organized them. Simply tap on the videos to see the ones you're favorited. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.